Welcome back to Pirates Fans TV. Spethu Teko Parks. Teko Parks unjani bhuti?
Shapunjani bhuti wami.
Ngimnandi. Pirates iwinile 3-0. Do you think Kaizer Chiefs is beating competition today?
I don't think so. Since from first minute we pile at ribathekile from the minute yokuqala vele wabona. Today vele Chiefs enisabona umdlalo and nabatsiba vele even if batla kopana Pirates they know they're going to face a beast in terms of to lose the games they two latelana vele. There's no way we're going to lose another one latelana vele. And I want to interview them today on their backyard. FMP on their backyard. Today Pirates interviews too much and I hope consistently baga build up koyona baska yetsa ona against Kaizer Chiefs fella. Their remaining games is long vele but they have to be consistent even if I know goal you have to defend the right to one today in terms of transition Chiefs but caught up into transition but able to recover some of the counter attacks that Chiefs today.
Pirates ijabulise kakhulu. Coming from that 2-0 loss, thina mabhakaniya mesikhala sithi coach akahambi. What do you think he did right today?
I think today is the lineup I changed in terms of right back guys Smelebele and Limbata. It was the subject two. I think it's on the effect game today in terms of the wing back mobile the cross the ball today. I think today lineup here today in today na game is a winner today but last previous lineup it was not make sure I think so about cup game but I'm glad today Mauti a khonno like balwanse who do you into the previous games I think so about it.
So many of them are mekuban today.
Mike Mamosha but Timosha Sparta today boy I untabisize boy keep that build up to that performance to the other games boy. Well done my friends.
Billy plays so well. Last question Teko Parks. Do you think the Pirates still have a chance to win this league?
Most definitely, we still have a chance. We don't have to look at the other teams. We have to concentrate on our games and win our games, and not to concede more goals. Please, you have to be consistent. Please, gents. It's ours, this league. We have to. Meles Chabule, Lape Orlando Amsterdam, may deserve the cup. Aman base Orlando Dala Bakala. It's been a while, Orlando Pirates team. Please, boys, fight for this badge. Galrata, my chance. One love.
Orlando Pirates deserve this league. Bopa!